Can I have your ID, please?
Mine?
Yes.
I don't have an ID on me. And I'm not drinking that. That's my mom's.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back on, please.
Why would you do that, sir?
It's illegal to drink alcohol in public.
I'm not drinking it. No.
You are in possession
An
of
open
it.
container of alcohol in the city of Orlando. If we want to get specific and you want to argue about it, it's probably not the best thing to do while you're already doing something that is in violation of
We
the
were
city
doing a
ordinances of
TikTok
Orlando.
video.
Okay, it's not legal to do whatever you want just because it's on TikTok. Okay, I understand you want your likes and you want to become a very rich influencer,
I already
but
am,
you
sir.
can't
I
do
own
that.
2 homes.
Cool. So then your bond shouldn't be that big of a deal to pay to get out of jail.
Please help her.
Okay. Well, no, because if you're going to sit here and argue, then
No,
you're going to
she's
talk
nice.
yourself into a situation. Now, the second part
I'm
is
not arguing.
you are required to be 25 feet away from us. So I need you to step back over by that tree. You're more than welcome to record the entire thing, but you're going to stand over there so you guys don't get in trouble and get arrested either.
Sir, can you please help? This is my daughter.
Okay, stand over by the tree, 25 feet away from us per the law. And then, sir, I need you to do the same, please, or cross if you're going to cross.
Now, ma'am, do you have an ID inside of this bag?
No,
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Okay, do you have an ID inside of this bag?
I don't believe so.
Have you ever had an ID issued to you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Rosalie? Okay.
Leave that for me. I appreciate you. I promise I'll throw it away. It's right there. The trash can's right there. I'm gonna throw it.
Okay, you want to fucking
Wait,
away
no,
from
no,
me
no.
too?
No, I was not.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay,
Put your hands together.
I was throwing it away.
Put your hands together. Pull away from me on that one, dude.
I was not. I was gonna throw it away. I promise. I swear to God, I was gonna throw it away.
Sure. Do you have ID on you?
I do. Right here.
Okay. It's in your pocket?
Yes, sir.
All right, do me a favor. Have a seat right here. Cross your ankles for me. Hang out just like that. Cool?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Javier.
Javier.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Lake Mary.
Lake Mary?
Yes, sir.
Back up 25 feet. We're gonna need a second signal 40, please.
This corner all day.
Well, you can call it signal 40 first. Oh, we got. Where are you from, Rosalie? Miami?
From Miami.
Okay. What are you doing up here?
I live here now.
Okay. Who are these people here?
Those are my friends and my mother.
Okay.
Directly that way.